हेलो प्रकाश सन।
हेलो।
स्वागत है दोस्तों आपका। आज हम लोग हैं ब्रदर के टेक्नोलॉजी सेंटर गुड़गांव में और हमारे साथ है प्रकाश सन फ्रॉम ब्रदर इंडिया। सो सर बताइए ओपन हाउस के बारे में और ब्रदर के बारे में कुछ।
First of all, welcome. And this is our new technology center
Okay.
in Gurugram. We opened it last year, and this is our second technology show in this fiscal. We have our first technology center, which is in Bangalore.
Yeah.
Then second, we opened in Gurugram this year. Then the third, we are opening in Pune.
Okay.
By end of this year or early next year.
Yes.
And our concept is take the technology to the customers, and so that customers can immediately access our new technologies and they can visit our new technologies in the BT30 segment.
Yes.
So we placed all our machines. We have complete lined up in the BT30 category, like BMC, pallet changer BMC, HMCs, compact HMCs, and multitasking machines. Even recently we launched a simultaneous 5AX machine.
Oh, that's
so
great.
this today's show is all about 5AX solution.
Okay. So you are displaying some components also.
Yeah.
So let's have a look.
We have placed some components here.
Okay.
So starting from the regular. So
Okay.
as you can see, we have showcased our high torque capability up to dia 65 U drill.
Yeah,
in
that's great.
BT30 spindle.
So dia 65 U drill direct.
Direct from solid. It is a carbon steel material S50C. And initially we started with the 40, 50, 60, 65, and we have mentioned the feed rates which we have used. And
so you mean to say that with brother BT30 spindle you can do drilling, direct drilling of dia 60?
Yeah, dia 65. See,
dia
I am
65.
offering high torque spindle with 92 Newton meters.
Oh, great.
So I need to check whether 92 Newton meters I am getting or not. So I need to try. I went up to 92 Newton meters.
Yeah.
This is the technology, the spindle technology.
Yeah, that's
which
great.
we want to showcase.
Yes.
Normally, the spindle will be having a Newton meters and the torque capabilities. Whether they try up to that, that is not true. But in brother case, if we are telling something, it should be true.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this way we showcasing this kind
So
of.
here
components.
some more components are there.
Yeah, actually these components we kept to cater all the segments. Like automotive is our main role. Our machines are there in automotive.
Okay.
Plus precision machining and like wearables, watch cases, then die mold applications, electronics industry like phone case. We have all the machines all over the globally, and even for valve machining with the stainless steel materials. And we have some 5AX samples. This is a medical sample which is a knee joint.
Yeah, it seems
Outside.
knee joint.
Yes.
So you are catering medical industry also.
Yeah.
So automotive, medical.
aerospace,
Okay.
and valves.
So
All these kind of industries we can.
that's great. That's great.
Yes. And here are some automotive examples.
Okay.
And we have scrolls, compressor scrolls, inverter cases, pump housings, motor case,
So
EV segment.
n number of components you are
Yeah.
displaying here.
Yes.
So this is your machine which you are showing. So Prakash San, tell us about this machine.
Yeah, this is our S700 model, which is a very, very fast moving in globally. And this machine is basically 3-axis machine. And we can configure this machine up to continuous 5. Like 4-axis, you can put rotary tables.
Okay.
Then if you want 4+1, it is possible. Then you want to 5AX continuous 5 simultaneous 5AX
Yes.
machining, it is also possible in this machine. And you have more versatility on the 5AX. Why we are offering this kind of series even though we have our own 5AX machine?
Yes.
Customers should feel the versatility of the machine.
Yeah. So they can
So
use
they
3
can-
and 4
Yes.
axis and 5 axis as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
So continuous 5, customer has a choice of choosing bomb gear type rotary tables, or roller cam rotary tables, or direct drive rotary tables. They have a lot of options based on their requirement. They can opt for this.
Yes.
This is the beauty of S700.
This machine. So how many machines you are displaying in this open house?
We are displaying total 6 machines.
Okay.
So in which S700 is the basic configuration. We have 1 meter stroke machine. We have a pallet changer machine. We have a
Okay.
HMC compact HMC in BT30, and we have a multitasking machine with
Okay.
continuous 5AX capability. And we have U500 model, which is with our own technology, roller cam technology, direct table. So that is also continuous pipe.
So we heard that
machines.
recently brother launched BT30 HMC machines.
Yes.
So-
So it is also we are displaying.
So I think we should have a
Yes.
look of that machine also.
Yes.
So it seems that very compact HMC. I have
Yes.
never seen the such compact HMC right till now. So this is your HMC.
Yeah, this is the HMC machine. So basically, this footprint of the machine is like a front 1.6 meters
Okay.
by 3 meters, 3.5 meters. Based on the configuration, the depth will increase. With the coolant tank, it will be normally 3 meters.
Oh.
So with the chip conveyor, maybe 3.5 meters, we can accommodate this machine. So 1.6 by 3.5 will be the footprint of the machine. And it is with the BT30 spindle with the 30 tools magazine. And you have a single pallet machine. There is no pallet changer option now.
Okay.
And 400 by 400 square table.
Okay.
And it is having a swing of 600. And if you need more swing on the fixture side, you can go up to 800 without any option.
Okay.
Only
okay.
thing is spindle, you need to go to the safe position during indexing. That's what you need to take care.
That's great.
So we can interlock it and we can go up to 800 diameter swing. So this is the beauty of the machine. So most of the components can be handled because normally now the industry is moving towards EV. So you will be having a lot of big components with a minimal number of operations, which you not require very big HMCs to complete it. Because for those some of the components, HMC will be like a regular HMCs will be over-engineered for that purpose.
Okay.
So in that way, we are offering our BT30 HMC.
So what you would like to say our audience about this show?
Yeah. So coming to Speedio, we normally focus on the performance, not only on the machining side, on the energy conservation and air consumption. So all these things club together. We keep chip to chip, very minimum chip to chip of 1.2 seconds, 1.3 seconds, depends on the model.
Okay.
Any machine you take, your connecting load, complete connecting load is 10 kVA. Even the HMC is 10 kVA.
Oh, that's
Your
great.
connecting load. Normally, if you go for any HMC, it will be like 30 kVA, 40 kVA minimum.
Yes.
Even small
Yes,
HMCs.
yes.
But we are offering the HMCs with 10 kVA. Any machine you take, 10 kVA, and with minimum as 45 LPM airflow rate requirement we are offering, which is minimum in the industry.
So how many brother machines right now in India in
See, we have a lot of machines spread throughout India. So more than 3,000 machines.
3,000 machines.
Yes.
Already you brother installed in India.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
More than 3,000.
Yes.
And we have a big market, and recently we rolled out we crossed our overall machining centers sales like 180,000 machines we manufactured till now.
Till
More
now.
than 80,000.
That's great.
180,000. So it is a great thing. Customers are preferring for reliability, performance. So in this way, they are always looking for the better machines. So if you are making a component with a lesser power, air, with a very minimum footprint, and always we are there, you can choose video. So we are offering a lot of machine varieties.
Yes.
So this is a multitasking machine again.
Okay.
So it is having a turning also. It is
Okay.
basically a multi-turn machine with continuous pipe.
With continuous 5 axis.
More versatility to the customer, and the swing you can have up to 450 diameter.
Oh, that's great.
Your turning RPM will be 1500 max, and you will get two types of spindle, 10,000 or 16,000. Based on that, you can choose.
Okay.
This particular machine is with 16,000 RPM.
16,000 RPM. Okay.
So you can load up to 10-inch chuck. On special request, we can maybe check for 12-inch also.
Yes. Okay, that's great. Thank you, Prakash san.
Yeah.
So nice to
Thank
meet you.
Thank you.